What's going on, YouTube? Today I just received a package and I can't wait to open it. It is hopefully the Andis Profoil Plus shavers. If it's not, then this is gonna be hella awkward. But let's get to it. All right. So as you can see, it's still in the box. I haven't even opened it up yet. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. All right. Yeah. Man. Oh. I bought this from Barber Salon. If you guys wanna get some really great barber products, this place is it. It's super cheap stuff. Oh man, look at that. Profoil Lithium Plus. Great packaging as always, and this has always done a good job. This looks nice. It says here, best for finishing, phase removing stubble. It's got the lithium ion power, delivers up to 80 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Closer shave, rotary motor. It says right here it's how many volts it takes and hertz and stuff. And it also comes with a premium charging stand, which I'm really excited for. Yep, and these are all the stuff it comes with. Shaver, stand, charger, and then the brush and the protecting guard. All right. Nothing else in this box. Put this to the side. All right. Okay. So obviously it comes here with use and care instructions. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what you guys came here for, but I am gonna go ahead and read this first before I turn that on. Man, this is nice. This is real nice. Man, it just fits right in your hand. Wow, I like this. They kind of made this like an actual more grayish color than the old Andis Profoil. I had the old Andis Profoil as well, but I don't know how, I just seem to have misplaced it and I can't find it. So I went ahead and bought this. This seems to be like some sort of a soft touch rubber, like a grip. It's really nice. I really like the way this feels. It's got the cover. The cover feels a little more sturdier than the original Profoils, but it's not super secure. Like, I don't feel safe just to set these around. I don't know. I never really liked this plastic guard, but other than that, man, these foils are nice. Nice foils. Okay, go ahead and open it. Press this button. All right. You can see the inside of the foil. And these are the blades. Overall, it looks pretty much the same, but I like this color scheme a lot better. I think it looks a lot better in this black and grayish color. And then on the back, of course, you have all the other stuff, information. It's a charging port. Okay, let's look at the other stuff. Right, here's the charger. Overall, it feels about the same as the old one. It's really thin, wiry charger. The head of it is a little more bulky though, so it feels secure. And you have the little brush. I never really use this. And then the stand. The stand actually has a bit of weight to it, to be honest. Maybe, I don't know, I want to say maybe about a pound. It weighs probably as much as the full shaver. That's pretty cool. That's where you set the full shaver on it. Has these screws down here. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe it's to hold a weight that they might have put inside. And that's the back. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in. Almost there, guys. Okay. That seats in pretty nice. It's a pretty tight fit. It wiggles ever so slightly, but I don't think that'll be a problem. It should be fine. Ooh, it lights up red. Okay, that's a nice. That looks nice. Yeah, I like that. I saw another review of a guy that kind of didn't like this stand. I think it'll be fine, honestly. I don't think it would fall over unless you bump into it really hard. And if you don't want to use the stand, you can plug it directly. That's a nice red though. That's nice. I'm gonna let this fully charge if it's not fully charged, and I'm gonna probably show some videos of me cutting hair with this, and I'll let you guys know what I think and if it's better or worse or the same as the Andis Profoil, the original shavers. All right, so until then, I'll see you guys next time. All right guys, so I left it charging, and as you can see, the light was red and it turned green. All right, light is not green. Let's take this off and do a sound test real quick. I did notice that the light turns green as well when you turn it on. Overall, it sounds pretty powerful. It sounds a little more powerful than the old one, but then again, I haven't used my old one in probably about 2 weeks since I lost it, but it does sound more powerful. It might just be me though, I don't know. Might be going crazy. All right. Next time you see this in my hand, I'll be using it on a client.